Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly check your search history from Google search. Now, as you can see here, I'm at google.com guys, and to quickly check my search history, I just need to click on settings on the lower right hand side and simply click in search history. Now from here, it will take you over to your search history. You want to scroll down guys, and you will see your search history, right? So you can quickly check your search history. You can see everything that you have searched here, and you can always go ahead and delete something if you don't want to have it, or if you want to delete everything. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on delete, choose how much you want to delete, simply select delete all time, and you can just select what you want to delete. If you want it from the image search or just Google search, whatever, you can check these boxes according to your choice. And yeah, just go ahead and click on next and just go ahead and hit delete, and that's going to go ahead and delete your search history. It's really up to you, but that's how you can quickly access your search history from Google search.